Cherie Mondière is a sawmill located in Duniers, France, specializing in the processing of coniferous wood. The company has been in operation since 1916 and is known for its commitment to quality and sustainability. Cherie Mondière primarily produces 1. Construction timber, used for framing, roofing, and other structural elements in buildings. 2. Packaging wood, including pallets, crates, and other shipping materials. 3. Cladding and decking, for exterior wall and floor coverings. Logs are sourced from sustainably managed forests. The bark is removed from the logs to prevent insect infestations and improve the quality of the wood. Logs are cut into boards of various sizes using large saws. The lumber is dried in kilns to reduce moisture content and prevent warping. Wood is graded based on quality and sorted according to size and species. The finished lumber is packaged and shipped to customers. Cherie Mondière adheres to sustainable forestry practices, which may include reforestation, reduced impact logging, and efficient resource use. Multisaw is a renowned manufacturer of sawmill machinery, offering comprehensive solutions for log processing. Their sawing lines are designed to enhance productivity and optimize wood recovery through advanced technology and robust construction. Multisaw sawing line has below key components. 1. Scanning and optimization. Logs are scanned in 3 dimensions to assess their shape and size. Advanced software analyzes the data to determine the optimal cutting strategy, maximizing yield and minimizing waste. 2. Double chipper canters. These machines remove the outer, rounded sides of the log, creating flat surfaces, cants, for further processing. They enhance efficiency by preparing logs for precise sawing. 3. Quad and double vertical band saws. VTZ 1100-1300 DOUBLE. Quad. Vertical band saws make longitudinal cuts into cants to produce boards of desired thickness. The double configuration includes 2 bandsaw heads, while the quad has 4, allowing for simultaneous multiple cuts and higher throughput. A typical Multisaw sawing line incorporating these technologies would work as follows. Logs are fed into the line, where they undergo 3D scanning. The system calculates the optimal cutting pattern based on the scan data. Double chipper canters remove the outer sections of the log, producing a squared cant. The cant passes through vertical band saws configured in double or quad arrangements. These saws slice the cant into boards as per the optimized cutting plan. Boards may be further processed using optimized edgers like the VRA40OF, capable of edging up to 40 boards per minute. Cants can be resawn with machines such as the RS1300 resawing line, featuring a full runaround system for continuous processing. Multisaw sawing lines, such as the VTZ 1100-1300 DOUBLE quad, are designed for high production capacities, handling up to 500 cubic meters of logs per 8-hour shift. The integration of scanning technology and automatic optimization ensures high recovery rates and efficient processing. The robust construction of Multisaw machinery ensures durability and reliability in demanding sawmill operations. The Primaltini 1600 Gradinari is a high-performance bandsaw head rig designed for efficient primary breakdown of logs in sawmills. It's built with heavy-duty components to withstand the demands of high-volume production. Equipped with a large-diameter saw wheel and a powerful motor, ensuring efficient cutting of even the most challenging logs. Hydraulic cylinders smoothly and precisely position and clamp logs for optimal sawing. Capable of handling a wide range of log sizes and species, making it suitable for various sawmill applications. Logs are manually or mechanically fed into the head rig. Hydraulic cylinders precisely position and clamp the log against the saw blade. The saw blade cuts through the log, producing cants or boards of the desired dimensions. The sawn material is removed from the head rig for further processing. The Dorotea Sawmill, officially known as the Högland Sawmill, is a historic sawmill located in the village of Högland, Dorotea Municipality, Sweden. Built in the 1850s, the sawmill operated for nearly a century, powered by the Langselian River. It played a vital role in the local economy, providing employment and contributing to the timber industry in the region. The sawmill has been preserved as a historical site and now serves as a museum and cultural center. Visitors can explore the old sawmill buildings, learn about its history and operation, and experience the traditional methods of timber processing. Visitors can see the old saws, log carriages, and other equipment used in the sawmill's operation. The museum showcases artifacts and exhibits related to the history of the sawmill and the local timber industry. Mayer Sagewerk and Holzhandlung, located in Neckarbiskosheim, Germany, is a family-owned sawmill and timber trading company with a rich tradition spanning 8 generations. Employing around 35 staff members, the company has been PEFC certified since 2010, underscoring its commitment to sustainable forestry practices. Mayer produces custom-sized construction timber up to 15 meters in length, catering to specific client requirements. The company offers plain timber products, ensuring smooth surfaces suitable for various applications. Mayer provides wood drying services to achieve optimal moisture content, enhancing the quality and durability of the timber. Precision cutting services are available to meet diverse customer specifications. The company's sawing factory is equipped with modern machinery and technology to efficiently process logs into various timber products. Logs are received, sorted, and prepared for sawing. Logs are cut into cants and boards using band saws or circular saws. Cants are further processed into thinner boards using vertical band saws. Boards are trimmed and edged to remove defects and achieve precise dimensions. Lumber is dried in kilns to reduce moisture content and prevent warping. Dried lumber is sorted and graded based on quality and size. Mayer emphasizes the natural and vibrant structure of wood, reflecting its dedication to sustainable and responsible forestry.